my friends, Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. I want to show you first the dried results from the last video. It's the triple bloom. It came out beautiful. I think I'm gonna have it this way. And using the transparent colors, oh, it came out beautiful. So I want to show you that, and we're gonna do again a triple bloom, but this time I'm going to be using different colors. So let me get you down to the canvas and we'll do this. All right, we're gonna do a paint test for consistency before we start the painting. So this is our beautiful Liquitex silver. We have Deco Art rose gold. We have indigo black blue with some Mars black added to make it a little bit darker. Okay, I'm going to do a drip test here. I'm going to take a little blob of paint from each, trying to make it the same size. Sometimes I don't make it the same size, but I'm trying. Whoops! And our silver. Let's get our silver going. All right. So I got my paint. And now I usually give it a second, but I'm gonna tilt it and see which one, how it goes. Well, they're pretty much, this is a little bit runnier. These two are almost the same. I'll add just a little tiny paint to this and we are good to go. I don't do this every time I paint, but I do it very often because I just want to make sure that we have the same consistency in our paints. So there's a helpful hint for you. Now let's get painted. Let's get painted. Okay, we can do that, but let's start painting. Okay, we have our beautiful colors down here. Let me tell you what they are and show you the consistency. Some of my viewers wanted to know and for me to show you the consistency. So we have Liquitex silver. The metallics sometimes seem thicker, but I did it like in the test, it wasn't thicker. Now, it seems thick right now, it's having a hard time flowing, but we tested it and I know that it's not. This is the Deco Art rose gold. Leaves a trace for like 3 seconds, I would say. And I don't know if you can see that it's kind of dark. And this might not be the best angle because I haven't showed that before. All right, so we have Liquitex silver. By Deco Art, we have rose gold, and we have by Atelier blue black, indigo, and I added some Mars black to make it a little bit darker. I'm going to be using white cell activator. We're going to do the triple bloom. Again, I really love, this is a 10 by 20. I love this size and the 12 by 24 for the triple bloom. And okay, now pillow paint will be PPG Multi Pro. And having this yellow lid with the, makes it so much easier. So, oh, you know what I need to do first? This is all clean. So I don't want, I'm gonna put some paint kind of on it. Just so it doesn't, you know, stick. For now, this is closer to me, so I'm gonna be having it here. Then I'll put it in the middle when we spin it and scoot it over. All right, let's put on some pillow paint. How are you all, my friends? I hope you're well. Life is challenging sometimes, and we keep on, don't we? Okay, that's plenty. It's running smoothly. Don't really want it to coming off the edge yet. So I'm just going to kind of scoot it back a little. Well, the corners are the hardest to get anyway, so. All right. Let me wipe that. Now, every time you use a skewer when you're doodling, doing anything, you always need to wipe it. Okay, well, we are starting again. I wasn't too happy with that. Not sure why, but there just wasn't enough color. So, here's our silver for the middle and our rose gold. I'm gonna put on more color. I'm not really in the middle, am I? Let's scoot it over a little bit here. The paint. And I am definitely going to use more of this blue black. Come on. Did you thicken up on me already? All right. You tilt that just to get in the center. Okay. I always torch for bubbles. Nope, we're good. Our white cell activator. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, here we go. All right, there we go. Okay. I put a lot of that blue. I'm not going to put quite as much as the blue on. Now, what I'm looking at, whoops, sorry. Turn this around. What I'm looking for when I'm making this triple bloom, because I end up having a bloom here, but then I only have a little bit on the edges. So I'm looking at this edge here for interesting shape and color. That's very interesting. I might go like something like. Okay, and there's some different kind of coloring here, which is nice because everything will expand. I might bring, if this is just a blank kind of light color, I might bring some from where? Let's see. Color into it. Just, you know, I don't know. Okay, let's do another bloom. Our silver. The one that failed right before that I did this, there was just like so much white. And I don't know why. I did kind of spin the pillow paint out a little bit before I put, I think that helps. There was just too much. Okay, I'm not gonna put as much blue. Come off anyway. All right. Still would like it a little thinner, but sometimes the paints will thicken up even as you're working. All right, our white cell activator. There we go. Let's blow it out. Okay, so in the bloom, on the side blooms, I'm just really looking at this because this will all come off. So I'm just really looking at that, but I think I'll bring a little color in through here. Just to add, you know, just to break it up, to break up a large block of color. All right, one more to do over here. Now there is a lot of blue in there, but well, when I stretch it out, it'll get much lighter. Oops, sorry about that. I don't really want the blobs of color. It really needs to be thinner. All right. I might want another, just a little drop here. Gosh. All right. It is what it is. Oh, but I dripped, so let me fix that. What do I do with my skewer? Okay. White cell activator. Here we go. All right. I'm good with that. Okay, let me get this in the center. Move my camera back. Let's see, is that center? Looks about center. Do I need to move my camera back? I don't think so. No. Okay. So let's, do I need to do anything? Pop anything? Nope. I think we're good. Let's do this. Let's blow, let's not blow it out, let's spin it. Oh, colors are pretty. Oh, that's nice. See, only a little bit of this and a little bit of this one. I don't want to lose the side blooms, but I still have paint in the middle. Wow, that's really pretty. Dramatic. I'm sorry that I'm kind of losing some of the other blooms there. You see how much paint I have left. I gotta take off my glove. I don't want to be dripping. I still have too much. It sure is pretty colors though. Okay. Oh, I'm so sad that I love this, but I'm so sad I lost that. So I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna do another one, and I'm gonna do a smaller bloom here. Yes. All right, my friends. There we go, a triple bloom. I will get you a close-up, and so you can see this beauty. All the paints and colors are listed in the description, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you. May He be with you in everything you do.